So let's proceed to Miss Friendship. So I would like to call on Sir Danilo Macugay to award the Miss Friendship. And you are the Miss Friendship candidate number 5. So Sir Danilo Macugay. Or any representative. So, kasama ka anak ko, handing the cash prize. Next is Miss Gascon Store. So may request Mr. and Mrs. Remy Gascon to award the Miss Gascon Store. And you are the Miss Gascon Store candidate number 4. Number 4. So may I request, ginanap ko. Any representative po? May I request Ma'am Jocelyn Gascon?
Yan ma'am. Yan result ko.
Or any representative? So may I request Barangay Kagawad Roger Pamunan to handing the cash prize of Miss Gascon Store. Yes, totoo. So may request Sir Marjoey Garcia.
Yung mga sponsor po na ito. Ma'am. Adaw pada. Handam award dyan.
Barangay Kagawad Marjoey Garcia. The next award is the Miss Aqua. May I request again the representative of Sir Danilo Macugay to award the Miss Aqua. And you are the Miss Aqua candidate number. Who's your bet? You are the Miss Aqua candidate number 3. Next award is Miss Reina V. May I request Ma'am IP Ibe to award the Miss Reina V. And you are the Miss Reina V candidate number 2. Candidate number 2, please.
Nagawid na.
Wala si candidate number 2? Wala, okay. Bigay niyo na lang mamaya.
Pati naman po aming ako. Nag-award na pima.
Next, let's proceed to Best Performer in the Production Number.
Labot na.
May I request Ma'am Erica Ilaban to hand in the cash prize of Best Performer in the Production Number. And who are the Best Performer in the Production Number? Candidate number 1. The next award is Best in Hawaiian Attire or Hawaiian Costume. The presenter is Miss Georgette Ponce. Georgette Paula Ponce. And you are the Best in Hawaiian Attire candidate number. It's candidate number, once again, candidate number 1. award is the best in poise. May I request Ma'am Crisel Tabuyo award the best in poise. Ay ma'am, pakilagay daw yung sash ng best in Hawaiian attire. Ay okay, may sash din yung best performer in the production number. Ba't hindi mo binigay kanina, ate girl?
Kaya pa bro, kaya ang power 5. Kaya ng power 5.
Maulaw ang angel.
Parang
Nakalitan siya kami nabi.
Kaya mo ba?
Congratulations, candidate number 1. The next award is... Hello. The next award... Ay, mali talaga.
Sige bro.
Hello. Okay, pwede na. Buti may backup ako dito. The next award is the best in poise. May request Ma'am Crisel Tabuyo to award the best in poise. Yep. And you are the best in poise candidate number. You're lucky tonight, candidate number 1. You are the best in poise. So, any representative of Ma'am Crisel Tabuyo? Wait, anak ko, rank yung award mo. The next award is the Miss Photogenic. May I request Mr. and Mrs. Jeric Ilaban to award the Miss Photogenic. And you are the Miss Photogenic candidate number. It's candidate number 1. The next award is the best in casual wear. May I request Judge Valdez to award the best in casual wear. In the absence, any representative please, or may I request Barangay Kagawad Evelyn Binuan to award the best in casual wear. And you are the best in casual wear candidate number. Candidate number 1. The next award is the next minor award is the best in talent. May I request Mr. Jose Agliam to award the best in talent. And you are the best in talent candidate number 6. Candidate number 6.
Meron kaming sala. Sala ma'am. JJ, kasasala niyo ma'am Gabi.
The next award is Miss Sweetest Smile. May I request Miss Georgia Paula Ponce to award the Miss Sweetest Smile. And you are the Miss Sweetest Smile candidate number 8. Next award is the darling of the crowd. May I request Mr. and Mrs. Bless Gloria to award the darling of the crowd. And you are the darling of the crowd, candidate number 8. Next is the Miss Alex Alexia's store. So any representative from Alexia's store, please. And you are the Miss Alexia Store candidate number.
Joping.
It's candidate number 7.
Joping, ada pala.
And the last, ay meron pa pala dito. The next is the most articulate. And you are the most articulate candidate number. Maiwan ka na dyan kasi ikaw ang most articulate candidate number 7. I request Mr. and Mrs. Alex Roy Nicolas to award the most articulate or any representative. And the last award is the Miss Gadget Salon. So dalawang winner tayo doon. 2 winners will receive a sash and a teddy bear. Nasaan yung cash? Wala kang binigay sa akin. baka hanapin ng bata. Will receive a sash, a teddy bear, and a cash prize sponsored by Ma'am Celeste. Tingnan anak ko. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And you are the Miss Gadget Salon candidate number. Wait, hinihintay lang namin yung cash prize para diretso. Cash prize ng Miss Gadget Salon. Owned and managed by Ma'am Celeste Palomares. Located at Barangay Pakabiyan, Sinain, Ilocos Sur. And you are the Miss Gadget Salon candidate number. So may I request Ma'am Celeste Palomares to put the sash, hand in the cash prize and the token. And you are the Miss Gadget Salon candidate number 7 and 4. Candidate number 7 and 4, you are the Miss Gadget Salon. Congratulations, ladies.